Alright, so in order to assemble the F-22, I would suggest getting some plastic cement. I used about half a tube, and a pencil to mark the pieces you already broke out, a pair of scissors to remove the pieces because some of them are small and will bend and break really easily. Then you'll have to glue them together like I had to, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a pair of tweezers that you don't care if it gets some plastic cement on the ends. Okay, so the estimated build time for me without putting decals was about 5 hours, and the only mistakes or mislabelings that I found, if you happen to build the same model, is on page 7. When you're doing the bottom of the ship, it's should be D18 and D19, and it's labeled A18 and A19. So those are the only two pieces that don't exist. A18 and A19 don't exist, so it should be D18 and D19. And when you assemble it, it will look like this. So it's these two pieces right here. Other than that, everything else is labeled correctly and you can figure it out. And this is what it will look like. Also, when it says option, you have an option to choose one piece or another. So right here I put both, but really it should be this piece here or the closed piece, but I put both of them in there, but I had to bend one of them. But other than that, this is what it will look like when you're complete. Alright, let me know how long it takes you to build it. Thank you.